What's going on, all you beautiful droniacs out there? Coming to you at night, obviously, from Lake Superior, in front of the historic Duluth Aerial Lift Bridge. Now, I don't want to talk too much because I don't want to miss what I'm coming out here for, and that is, in about a half an hour, the American Integrity 1,000-foot LAKER is going to be coming here. I'll show you. I'm walking over here because it has a list of all the ships coming in and out of the harbor. So right there, right at the top, the American Integrity. I believe that's about a 1,000-foot warship. Going to be coming into the port of Duluth in about half an hour. Just so you know, I got my light on my drone that can be seen from 3 statute miles away, as the FAA puts it. I also have all my certification, went through all that process, so I'm all good to fly at night. So I'm pretty excited to do this. So other than that ship, I'm hoping we're going to get some shots. You can see Duluth in the background there. So we're going to get some shots of that. Downtown Duluth, probably, we're right off of Canal Park, so I'm sure we'll be getting some shots of Canal Park, and obviously the bridge, Duluth Aerial Lift Bridge. Man, that light is bright. Okay, so I won't show that light too much because it's very bright. But I think we're going to try and burn through a battery before the bridge goes up. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have fun droning.